The latest pandemic has changed the world, proving that germs and microbes aren't as easy to kill as you might think. Desperate times call for extreme measures, like MediRay, the safe yet serious medical-grade UV light that sterilizes without mercy. MediRay is an innovative UV disinfection creation for homes, offices, schools, hospitals, and beyond, killing all germs in its path. The secret lies in the advanced ultraviolet sterilization technology, killing more pathogens than harmful cleaning products ever could. Each expertly made MediRay comes complete with a 12-month warranty. It is fully CE and FCC certified. MediRay is a legally registered company in the UK, committed to changing and saving lives by killing germs before they get a chance. Hit the link on the screen to learn more, or contact us for answers to your questions. Ready to order? Stock is limited, so avoid disappointment by getting your exclusive MediRay device today.